Good morning, everyone. I hope you sleep well and had a nice dream. Now let me try lead you to wake up your body, get a nice little bit stretching, nice little bit warm up, and get ready for your lovely day. Now let's get through straight away. Hands up together. Give us a few seconds. Let your thought, breathe, settle down, and feel the body grounded. Nice deep breath. Close your eyes, more feeling the hands. Feel the hands, bring the hands posture, meaning the peaceful to your heart. Keep a nice breath. Good. Open your eyes and hands dropping down. Let's get started. Split your legs, make yourself comfortable. Hands start from your abdominal area, slowly over your chest, over your face, reach your roof. Try a little bit more. And move your head forward and dropping down. And again, move the hands nice, easy, over the face. Keep a natural breath. Reach the high a little bit more. Keep the arms on, move your head, and relax. One more, move the hands over. Keep moving fluid, reach your high. Feel the shoulder blade area, and look forward, and open the hands. That's good. Open the hands over the side. Body lift forward, feel the shoulder blade area, close and relax. Nice, easy. Feel the arms like a wind, moving back and back. Same time, feel the open your lungs, moving nice, easy and relax. That's dropping down the hands. Move the hands dropping down to your knee area. Keep your legs straight. Take a breath. Now let your hands go. Reach floor area. Hold on. Inhale. Exhale. Keep the position. Move the hands on your knees and bend your knees. Rotate your knee area. Not too much. And straight up your knees. Body forward, hands, try to reach the floor again. Inhale. Exhale. Hands back to your knee. Bend your knees. Like a string. Hands reach the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Hands back to your knee, bend your knee and slowly standing up. Nice, easy. Good. Now the hands on the side. Bend your knee slightly, turn your body to the side. Hold on for a second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And move them back to the center and change the other side. Nice, easy. Keep your spine straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move body back forward. Now move the hands up a little bit. Nice, easy. Rotate your shoulder area. When you go up, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale to your lungs. Inhale to your lungs, exhale. In, exhale. In, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. That's good. Let your body sinking down. Now head a little bit forward. Slowly, nice moving side. Take a nice curving E, R, Sun, 4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Change other side. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Good. Now slowly up. And hands on the hips, rolling the side. 1、2、3、4 ，come on， 5、6、7、8、9、10。Change other side. 1、2 ，keep the fluid. 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Good. Now little bit step forward. Open the arm. Body forward. Close the shoulder. Lean forward. And move your hand back. Close. Follow me. Move. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9 and 10. That's it. And drop it down close. Next one, move the shoulders. Each side first. One side first. Give me 10 times. 1、2. Don't need fast. Slow, but feel whole half of the body get affected. 6、7、8、9、10. Change other side. 1、2、3、4. Keep moving. 5、6、7、8、9、10. Okay, that's it. Next one, I need you sinking down. Crouch down a little bit. Both legs, feet on the floor. Sinking down. Use your heels, glute, sinking down your heel. Make the front leg relax. Keep your spine straight. Inhale and exhale, sinking your weight down. Good. Now, hands a little bit standing. Give you supporting. Now I need to move one leg up, forward. Nice, easy. Hold down. And gently move the feet back. Use exhale, relax the front leg, hamstring area. And take him back. Give you support, move it up. Next one, hands give you supporting, move the leg straight up forward. Hands over the side. Body little bit lean forward. Pay attention. Feel the hamstring area stretch. We don't want an extreme stretch, just nicely stretching, make them loose. And ready, serve your whole day. Nice breathe. And back. Hands back. Next one more time again. The same line. Move the hands to the side, move your body forward. Try sink your heel, dropping down if you can. At the same time, body lean forward. So this gives you proper stretch. Look your toes, toes back. Give me 5 seconds, head down. Feel the stretching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And move the hands back. Back again. Change other side. Place the movement ready. Toes back, body forward. Feel the lower back forward. Hamstring, glute. Relax the thigh muscle. Head down. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly standing up. And sinking down. Feel ankle area a little bit stretching. Now I need you to move the knee a little bit wide, slightly wide, give you supporting. I need you standing up. Hands behind your hip, give you support. Push your hip out. Keep looking forward, give you more balance. Feel the hip push outside the maximum. And slowly bend your hip, sinking down back to your heel area. Nice, easy. And again, slowly moving up first. Then gently push your hip forward. You can feel the hip joint rotation. Very good. One more time, sinking back. Use the glute, sit on your heels. Nice, easy, and slowly up. And push forward. Reach the maximum. Hold down the movement, hold down the movement. Move the body slightly left and right. Enjoy the different angles, give your hip a stretch. Just like a penguins, right? And moving, moving, moving. Nice stretch and bend. That will do. Hands on, give you support. Nice, easy. Place the hands, feet, and slowly keep looking forward. And nice, easy standing up. That's good. And shoulder both relax. And both sides. Give me 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, warm up your body, hands on together. And slowly twist. Moving, moving, moving. Nice, easy. Find your body pace. Hoo, ha, hoo, ha. Now, once you're used to it, a little bit more up, 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 up. Follow me 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20. Relax back. Breathe to the lungs and exhale. Let it go. Now, move the hands, dropping down. Feels like jumping up, but only lifting up your heel. And slowly follow me. You swing your arm, feel the arm jump higher. Jump higher. Can feel that motion. You don't really jump up. Lead your body up. Are you ready? Now follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulder relax. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more time. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Jump higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Loose the leg. Now up your heels and relax, shaking your body. Loosen up. And again, inhale to your lungs. Exhale. Reset your body. Come on, inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, up your heels. Completely loose. Let it breathe out. Very good. Spread your legs. Comfortable. Hands up. Pull the hands, the thumbs close your body. Relax the elbows. Nice, keep a breathe. Feel the breeze go through your body and make your body more solid and grounded. Now I need you to close your eyes. Pay attention to your body. hands. Bring the peaceful and the respect to your heart. Fingers relax. Keep breathe. Keep your smile on your face. And put attention on your face that's been smiled. Keep smile. Keep breathe. Let's bring this smile face as a seed into your heart. Seed your smile in your heart. And ready for your day. Open your eyes. And bow. Very good. That's your warm up and strategy for the morning. So hope you like it and hope this little exercise bring the energy ready for your day. Enjoy your day. I will see you in the other training. Take care.